Adding and removing columns from the inventory is covered in this video. Let's start by opening the view we have been working on within the past two videos. Click on the Coby Office sample project. In the search box, start typing the word steel. Click on the name of the view. The Columns tool is located directly above the inventory on the right-hand side. Click Columns to launch the dialog box. You'll notice that the columns listed in the inventory currently are in the right-hand side, listed top to bottom. The properties identified in blue can be removed by clicking on the X next to the name. You can add properties to your inventory by choosing them from the left-hand side. Start typing the name of the property in the search box. Click on the property to move it to the selected columns field. I'll add count, length, weight by length, unit cost, and total cost. And then click Done when I'm completed. You'll notice that the columns in the inventory have been changed to reflect the columns that were chosen in the dialog. Click a calling heading to sort the data by that column. The arrow next to the column heading indicates whether the data is sorted in ascending or descending order. Let's save this view for future use and move on to the video on visibility rules.